Well, the Seneca Nation has voted to release more than $500 million in casino revenue payments to New York State. And this comes after months of resistance by the nation and after the state froze their bank accounts over the weekend. News 4's Angelica Morrison has been looking into this. Angelica?
Jackie, the nation says they've been working with the bank to unfreeze their accounts, and they say their accounts should be unfrozen by the end of the day today. And that means folks who have payroll or other nation checks should be able to cash them soon. After the state froze their bank accounts and after hours of deliberation, the Seneca Nation Council decided to release casino revenue sharing payments to New York State. The payments total to more than $500 million.
While the funds are being transferred, let me also send a message to New York. Don't use the people of Western New York as pawns in your obvious desire to destroy the Seneca Nation.
The mothers of the nation don't agree with the council's decision to issue payment.
But there were also other viable paths that the nation could have taken, continuing with litigation, moving to unfreeze those accounts.
This ball started rolling back in February, shortly after the nation agreed to resume quarterly casino revenue sharing payments. The Seneca Nation's Council passed a resolution to pause a payment to the state until the National Indian Gaming Commission completed a review of the payments. In the meantime, the nation says the state made a move on their bank accounts. Last week, the state filed a motion in court seeking the ability to take a payment. The nation says it also impacted their other accounts, which they say caused them to become frozen, impacting payroll and other services.
The disputed gaming monies were in a blocked, restricted escrow account. The state didn't need to reach into all of the other nations' accounts.
The state may think it's appropriate to force an elder to go without diabetes medication, or a family already dealing with the financial impacts of the pandemic to go without a paycheck. Our nation will not let that happen.
The state issued a statement saying, in part, after the nation once again failed to make payments under the terms of an amicable agreement, the state took action in the courts to turn over the owed funds. Now, the compact between the nation and the state is set to expire in December of next year. In the studio, Angelica Morrison, News 4.